Simad University is one of the greatest and finest Somali universities throughout history. Simad was established to improve the quality of higher education in Somalia by providing a suitable environment for education, research and community services with the commitment to excellence, integrity and professionalism. The university produces competent scholars and leaders of high quality and moral uprightness. Simad University is one of the top-ranked universities in the enrollment of students in the country. The university strives to provide high-quality academic programs and to disseminate contemporary learning techniques and models through an excellent academic environment. The university is also enhancing the knowledge, skills and attitudes of the students. Simad University has a large library with up-to-date books in all areas of study. Library services also include a digital library equipped with electronic books, journals, videos, and other educational materials. Atmosphere for education. Simad University has produced in the past 10 years thousands of students at all levels and areas. The record of achievements of its alumni is indeed commendable, as hundreds of its past students have proved their talents and skills in both public and private sectors.
wax kaliya ugu soo dhaco waxay tahay maanta waxa aan gaaray Ilaahay ka sokow in wixii ayaga aan ka soo bartay iyo aqoontoodii iyo tababarkii ayaga ay soo tababareen in ay tahay
2005 ilaa hadda waxaan ku shaqeeyaa aqoontii aan ka soo qaatay Jamacada Simad.
It is worth mentioning that Simad University is accredited by the Ministry of Education, Culture and Higher Education of Somalia. One of the key elements of any developed nation is individual empowerment of its people through education. Simad University has inspired many people to pursue higher education, and it has become a modern university in the country.